Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to change the Excel default save location. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the file on the top left corner of the screen. Now here, just simply go ahead and go through the settings down below over here. And now from here guys, you could just simply go for the save on the left side over here. And now you will have here an option, save to computer by default. So make sure to select this one here. And after that, you could have the default local file location. Now guys, you could change this by going to the file manager or file explorer. Now, for example, I want this location over here guys. So just simply click on the location over here. And now we will have the location, right click on it and copy, and just simply minimize this one and just simply paste the local file over here and just simply select OK to save it. Now, once you are on your Excel, tap on your keyboard Control S, and right away you should be able to have the default location over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.